Lucid Motors, a company run by a former Tesla Model's chief engineer, may be the first real competition of Tesla. Hello and welcome to our channel where we give you the latest info on the tech space. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't. Let's carry on. Do you know that Lucid Motors is planning to release its first electric car? Lucid Motors CEO Peter Rawlinson recently said that Tesla's huge bet on a new 4-680 type cylinder cell format won't be this enormous breakthrough. Considering his technical background and direct work relationships with Tesla and Elon Musk, could he be right, or is he just another vehicle industry expert who is trying to question what Elon Musk believes? Lucid Motors is one of many companies trying to make a name for themselves in the world of electric vehicles where Tesla is unquestionably number one. Lucid Group, Inc., formerly known as Audi-Eva, is an American electric vehicle manufacturer headquartered in Newark, California, United States. Lucid's other divisions include energy storage and original equipment manufacturing. The company was founded in 2007. Lucid originally focused on building electric vehicle batteries and powertrains for other vehicle manufacturers. Lucid's chief executive officer Peter Rawlinson formerly served as VP of engineering at Tesla, and Vice President Derek Jenkins previously worked as head of design at Mazda North America operations. The company has seen investments from Sing Capital, Mitsui, Venrock, Jafco, and others. The company rebranded to Lucid Motors in October 2016 and officially announced its intent to develop an all-electric, high-performance luxury vehicle. On November 29, 2016, state and company officials announced the planned construction of Lucid's $700 million manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona, which was projected to employ up to 2,000 workers by the mid-2020s, initially building 20,000 cars and expanding up to 130,000 cars per year. The factory was then to be designed to support a maximum capacity of 380,000 cars per year. As of November 2016, the company had planned to break ground in 2017 and have cars in production by early 2019. The first vehicles began rolling off the assembly line on September 28, 2021. On September 17, 2018, Lucid Motors announced that they were in talks with the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia for a funding valued at over $1 billion. The investment was completed in April 2019. The investment will fund the final engineering and testing of the Lucid Air model, the first phase construction of its manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona, the commercial production of the Lucid Air, and Lucid's worldwide retail strategy, beginning in North America. Construction of the plant began in late 2019. The first phase was completed in December 2020. The second phase construction is ongoing and will increase production capacity from 34,000 to 90,000 vehicles a year. The completed factory will have a combined manufacturing capacity of about 400,000 cars per year. In February 2021, Lucid Motors announced a deal valued at $11.75 billion to merge with Churchill Capital Corp. IV, a publicly traded special-purpose acquisition company. CEO Rawlinson announced Lucid's intention to produce its Project Gravity SUV by 2023, then offer a competitor to Tesla's Model 3 by 2024 or 2025. In July 2021, The Wall Street Journal reported that the Public Investment Fund will own over 60% of Lucid when the company goes public. The fund will record a profit of nearly $20 billion from its investment in Lucid in 2018. Lucid began building its first all-electric Air sedans in Arizona in September 2021 and started delivering them to customers in late October. According to some recent interviews with Mr. Peter Rawlinson, Lucid Motors founder and CEO, his primary motivation was beating Tesla and one-upping his old boss. He said he wanted to build the best car in the world. Lucid, which announced plans to go public, is expected to pose serious competition to Tesla, the pioneer of electric vehicles. Lucid has so far followed Tesla's lead in manufacturing, sales, and service. Lucid is collaborating with Amazon to build in compatibility with Amazon's voice assistant Alexa, allowing drivers to use the voice assistant for navigation, phone calls, media streaming, smart home control, and other activities while driving. The infotainment system OS is based on Android Automotive. A Lucid Air is used by the character of Samantha Margolis in several episodes of Season 4 of the Amazon Studios TV series Goliath. The company is taking a different approach to electric vehicle charging and advertising. The stock, which trades under the ticker Lucid, rose by about 10% in the first few hours of trading. Who would have guessed? This demonstrates how promising Lucid will be. Unlike some of the non-electric car companies, Lucid intends to manufacture all of its vehicles in-house, as Tesla currently does. Lucid Motors has signed a deal with LG to supply battery cells for its standard battery packs for the car. Tesla already has cell supply agreements with Panasonic, Samsung, LG, and CATL for both its battery packs and energy storage products, such as the Powerwall. Lucid has stated that it intends to produce energy storage products including both home batteries and utility-scale devices. However, Lucid will not be burdened by the distractions and capital requirements of running a solar business, as Tesla has done since acquiring Solar City in the fall of 2016. Do you think it's a smart move from Lucid? Please leave your comments below. Tesla's history with battery supply partners could work in Tesla's favor. In the short term, Tesla secured undisclosed pricing terms as well as investments from the Japanese battery maker to its long-standing partnership with Panasonic. They jointly own and run a massive battery plant outside of Reno, Nevada. Tesla manufactures battery packs for its vehicles on one side of the factory, while Panasonic manufactures cells on the other. Tesla, on the other hand, informed investors in September that it had begun producing itself at a pilot plant in Fremont, California by 2030. Lucid expects to produce more than 500,000 vehicles per year. Musk, who is known for making lofty plans but failing to meet self-imposed deadlines, has stated that Tesla will probably produce 20 million electric vehicles per year by 2030. Despite a global slowdown in auto sales due to the COVID pandemic, Tesla produced 509,737 electric vehicles last year, with deliveries falling short of 500,000. So what's more about Lucid Air? The Lucid Air is a brand new electric vehicle with a range of up to 517 miles and a 0 to 60 time of as little as 2.5 seconds. The shape of the Air is both practical and futuristic, with a short hood and a large cabin topped by a full glass roof. The Air is currently available for pre-order and is expected to begin customer deliveries in early 2022. The interior of the Tesla Model Air is designed to look cool and futuristic. It has a 34-inch screen that runs across most of the dash and another screen down low in the center console. The Air also has eco-friendly materials like vegan leather, recycled yarn, and alpaca wool upholstery to begin. Lucid intends to sell a high-end version of the Air called the Dream Edition for $169,000. In comparison, Tesla's model sedan costs $79.99 for the base model and $139,990 for the highest-end Plaid Plus version, excluding Tesla's $10,000 premium software upgrade. By 2022, Lucid plans to offer a version of the Air starting at $77,400, directly competing with several Tesla models. The pricing does not include federal tax credits of up to $7,500, which are currently available to Lucid customers but not Tesla buyers. At this point, it's unclear how low Lucid's pricing could go. Once his first two vehicles hit the market, according to CEO Rawlinson, the company's next planned vehicle platform will serve as the foundation, but less expensive models priced between $40,000 and $45,000. Do you think Lucid Air will supersede Tesla's electric car model? However, he is skeptical that Tesla will ever offer a vehicle for less than $25,000. As Musk has stated, Lucid's vehicles can travel more than 4.5 miles per kilowatt, while Tesla's Model Long Range can travel more than 4 miles per kilowatt. According to Lucid, Tesla's drive assist systems and long-awaited self-driving features rely on a variety of onboard cameras and sensors rather than LiDAR. Many engineers working on autonomous systems believe that LiDAR is essential for making cars truly driverless. The technology is expected to set a new benchmark for the industry. According to the company, Lucid will use LiDAR to provide advanced driver monitoring to ensure drivers are using their systems responsibly. Leave your thoughts in the comments section. If you find this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button